So on today's rigs, I was doing a simple magnet feeder on one of them with the pattern oyster rig on there. 2 red maggots on the hook, and I got a mix of maggots in the feeder, casting onto gravel, and on my carp rod I've got a adjustable zig rig with pink foam on that and a few maggots in lily pads, because there's a few carp in here. That's where they seem to always show. You just see them go around. They're not at the bottom, they're not surfacing, just in the middle. So put an adjustable zig rig out there. Hopefully it gets good luck. So it's literally right in their face. They might be able to see it. And they're like, oh, that's nice. And the thing is, I'll be able to get it out there quite easily. So yeah, hopefully that goes off with some luck. There's not many carp though. So yeah. It's been pretty slow. We had a few perch, which I'll show on. We had a pretty big perch, to be honest. I'll put it on the screen in a minute. Screen in a minute. I'll show you that. Can't get many bites. I had a few instant ones on the drop, but nothing after that. I recast it 10 minutes. All right. There's a bite. Slow bite. Yeah, okay. Here with a few of my friends today, fishing all different swims. They're getting a few fish, not getting much. I came a bit late for the bad swim. Yeah, hopefully I can make it work. Seems a bit more of a slower day today, guys. Most days I could bag up, but yeah, bag up could get like 60 to 70 fish. It's actually really good for here. Lately, hasn't been working out. Bite. Only problem is I miss so many bites. But little bites are not big enough to strike, I think. I've attempted to strike them before, just nothing. Oh my gosh. That was a good pickup. normally strike without them with this screen. I'm gonna bring that camera out a bit so maybe you can see my bobbin on my bike lamp as well. Let's adjust that camera. Yeah, you can get all of that in there. Cool. Right. Then I'll just make my maggots noises. No. I don't know if one of the maggots apparently stinks. Yeah. You can only get white maggots. Yeah, you can. I don't use white ones. Yeah. I've used ones is reds, whites, and I don't use whites and blues. They're the only ones. Yeah. One's red and blues. That cuts all white maggot. What are those lines? Right. Can I see that line? Get whites. Let's see if I'm using his. One's red, seems to be working.
Oh!
Oh no, it's just setting.
No, the other one. Bouncing.